Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for an honest and great review on a product called the Doux, you're at the right place. Today I'm going to use the shampoo, conditioner, and the all-in-one styler and just tell you my thoughts about it, show you how I style with it, and then you'll obviously get to see the end results at the very end. So let's go ahead and just get straight into it. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna kind of explain a little bit what I did in the shower with the shampoo and conditioner, and then we'll move on to the styling foam. So this is what the shampoo looks like up close. It has no sulfates and it's paraben free, so I like that about it. And then it also removes buildup. It says it on here, but I could totally tell when I wash my hair. So, you know, if you're using a lot of product in your hair, it's easy to get a lot of buildup in there. And so this, I actually feel like I used too much. I used probably a $half size amount, and it's super concentrated. So when you mix it with water, like I had a ton of sudsing. You know that squeaky clean feeling you get, especially when you use like a clarifying shampoo? That's what my hair felt like, so that felt great, just felt super clean. On the instructions, it says that you can repeat, so if you feel like you still have buildup in there, then you can go ahead and wash again with it and do it 2 times. But a little bit of this goes a long way. I can tell that this is gonna last me a very long time. This is 8 ounces, and I have a lot of hair, and so just this much was too much. So next time I'll probably use a 1/4 size amount. So I like that about it. I like that it suds up and it just felt clean. This is the moisturizing conditioner. I probably used twice the amount as I did, which I always do with conditioner. I use about twice the amount as I do the shampoo. But it definitely was easy to detangle my hair. I brushed through with the Denman brush when I had the conditioner in, just worked it through all the way. And then I went ahead and washed my body while I let that sit. I also did the squish to condish. While the conditioner's in there, you just squish to kind of enhance the curls and distribute the product. Just get it real good in your hair. Super simple. I rinse mine off with cool water just because I feel like it closes the cuticle better and helps prevent damage. It adds shine when you use cool water versus hot. So that's what I did. So this is a one-stop shop. Like, I only have to use this one product is what it says. We'll see how the results turn out. I just see people rave about this product, so I'm excited to try it. And I also scanned the little QR code there to give me more instructions on what to do. It says to divide your hair up into 4 sections and then apply. It also says after you're done styling to let it either air dry or, you know, style with a diffuser, which is what I'm gonna do today. But the cool thing about this that they talked about is like it's great for all hair types. So if you have thin hair, thick hair, wavy, coily, curly, it's for all hair types. So I'm excited about that. I mean, actually pretty sure that you could use this for straight hair as well too if you're just wanting more volume. So another thing they mentioned is that you can, if you want more hold, that you're gonna apply this to dry hair. So if you want medium hold, apply to wet. So my plan is wet just because I feel like when my hair's already dry, it's already got, I don't know. I don't want to do dry hair. I'm going to do what I'm used to and apply it on wet hair. So I've already got my hair divided in half this way, and then I've got my hair divided in half this way. So I'm going to go ahead and just start on one side. And I'm going to start with 3 pumps just because I feel like I don't want to not use enough. So I want to make sure I get enough product through my hair, especially since it's long. So 3 pumps feels good. And then the other thing is you can style your hair however you want. So if you're used to finger coiling or you're used to just raking through and you're done, totally fine. But I like to brush through my hair just because I feel like it gives more definition, it distributes the product more evenly. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it just because I don't feel like I need to. Also, if you're not sure how much water you need in your hair, then just do that. If you hear this sound, that tells you that there's enough water in your hair. You don't want it too dry, but you don't want it like dripping, sopping, soaking wet, because then you'll you'll lose out on all the product benefits because it'll basically just come out of your hair as you're squeezing it out. All right, and it's okay to lose hair. See all this? I'm like constantly shedding, and your hair grows in cycles, so it will come back. All right, I'm gonna do 3 pumps again. 3, rake it through, focusing on the ends. I mean, roots are important too, but especially underneath, I'm gonna focus on the ends. And then I'm just gonna brush through. And then I'm going to scrunch. Okay. Something that you want, if you want more definition, something that you do want is curl clumps. So this one, for instance, see how there's like all those hairs separated? If I take my brush and brush like this and then kind of shake it out, that's gonna give me more individual curl clumps like this, which is gonna reduce frizz and add definition. So just a little tip there. All right, so now I'm gonna divide this in 2. And something you wanna have handy is a continuous hair bottle spray. Mine is actually, it sprays water, but it's like 1 streak, like you can see. It's just 1 instead of spraying all over. It just broke the other day. I don't know why. So I will link a really good spray bottle down below. You can get it on Amazon. I think it's like $8, but it has great reviews. So I'll put that down there because I feel like a continuous spray bottle is pretty good, big game changer for me. Like it's just a lot different than using a regular spray bottle. So give it a try if you've never used one. They're inexpensive. 3 pumps again. And I'm just gonna try to avoid underneath since I've already done it. If you wanna like tie this back, you can. I'm just gonna leave it as is since I've already styled it. And then I am gonna put a little bit more. I'm gonna do another pump because I just like the front to really be defined. Okay, raked it through. Now I'm gonna brush it through. And I'm really excited to see how this turns out because like 1 product only, like normally I'm layering gel, curl cream, mousse, and this is like just all in one. So I'm excited to see if this saves time and money and all the things. All right, now I'm gonna go on to this side. And I need a little bit more water. I'm going online today to order my new spray bottle because this being broken is like driving me nuts. So also in the front, this is what I like to do. And also you can part your hair. Typically I part my hair over here, but mine's straight down the middle today and I can move it around later, you know, after it's dry. All right, so to get front definition, you just brush through like this and kind of shake it out. Shake your head and then see how my natural curls are starting to coil up there. I'm gonna encourage it by just doing this. And then like here, those are kind of broken apart, those strands, so I'm just gonna brush those through, shake it out, and encourage the curl by scrunching. This one too, maybe. I'd say my front pieces are like the trickiest to style. I don't know why. They probably have the most heat damage. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my towel real quick and I'll show you how to do that. All right, so you're gonna wanna use 100% cotton t-shirt towel. Microfiber towel is great too. Anything to kind of get the excess moisture out. So I'm just gonna take it and squeeze to get the excess out. I like to turn my head to the side as well. That way I don't have like a strict part. If you're not sure how to style the front of your hair and maybe you do have a hard part, I have a video I'll link below that's all about styling the front of your hair. It's super helpful and you should check it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in. Since I got most of the moisture out, I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna do 2 pumps. And since I already have my hair styled, I don't want to ruin my coils, so I'm just gonna kind of gently put this in my hair. So I'm kind of like pressing it in. You can also kind of squeeze it in like this. I don't want to mess up my curls that I've already brushed through. Okay, now it's time to diffuse. Always use a good heat protectant. I love this Eva NYC. It's called Main Magic. It has 10 things that it does, but definitely protects your hair, reduces frizz, all kinds of great things. So I'll link this below as well. Actually, all the products I'm using, I'm gonna link below. I also have a video that I'll link below on diffusing your hair. If you're not sure how to use a diffuser, you can watch that, but I'm not gonna record me diffusing my hair just for time's sake. So I will be right back as soon as I'm done. Yay, I made it through the part that took the longest, which is blow drying, and I am loving my hair. The coils are super defined. There's no frizz. The other thing is it feels super soft. It doesn't have like that crunchy feel to it. You know, like if you're gonna use gel and your hair just feels super crunchy. It does not have that. But I do like to have a little bit more moisture at the ends of my hair. That's just where it tends to be dry, and I'm definitely due for a trim. So I am going to use, this is Frizz Gone. I am a product junkie, and so this is, I didn't even need a finishing styler. I have like 2 different kinds. But I was at TJ Maxx and found this on clearance that I tried out. It's by Giovanni. If I can get it on Amazon, I will link it below. I don't know if you can. Go check your TJ Maxx and you may find one. This was like $5.50 and regular $6.99, so saved a little bit of money. Actually, I don't know what the original price is, probably $12 or something like that. But okay, you guys, this is so pretty. I'm loving the curls. The definition is great. All right, so I'm just gonna do probably 1 pump, and then I'm just gonna work this through my hair, scrunch it a little bit. Don't want to mess up all my curls, but I do want more definition and shine. Can't have too much shine. I think I need 1 more pump. If you have thinner hair, you may only need 1 pump total, or shorter hair. I always like to run my fingers through here just to add more volume. Wow. Okay, you guys, I'm a believer. This stuff, the Doux, is great. I'm loving it. This is definitely going to be a go-to for me, just because I only had to use 1 product. I'm super impressed. I mean, the layering that I normally do, the gel, the mousse, which it has a time and a place. Like if I want a certain kind of style, I might do that, but this is for sure my go-to. I'm very curious to see how this holds up, like tomorrow, how my hair's gonna look, if it's gonna be an easy refresh. I'll probably do another video on that just to kind of show you what it looks like second day. But guys, if you can get your hands on this, I definitely would try it, especially for all hair types. It's just great. So let me know if you have any questions. I always like to show the back just so you can see what it looks like. Super great definition, but let me know if you guys have any questions, and I would love to answer them, and I'd love to give you more tips if you have any other questions. So have a great day, and thanks so much for watching.